And if you get stuck, don't get out anyway. I know I can't turn around when I'm in there, I know that. Yeah, I know. I'll give you a hand, hang on. There you go. There's a little, might be deep enough for us to get in there again. Yeah, do you want to go in first? Because two of us go in there, I'll jam in. Well, I don't know if you can turn right, I couldn't turn right round with my little orange one. Once I got in there, I had to back up. I might follow you in if I got enough room to get in. See the tide's running back out now though. There you goes. Wow, that looks alright. I'll try and follow you in. Might have to wait for the next wave to get me in the rest of the way. Now I'm in. Wait for a little bit more water. There you go, just wait that for a minute. I'll wait for that next little wave to come in. Got it. All right. That's about as far as I'll go, I reckon. I'm getting stuck. Yeah, I'm going to turn around here because I've got enough room to. Well, that's pretty cool. Now, so we get out this time. I got stuck down there for ages trying to get in. There's little fish in here. Small ones. Are you right, are you? I'll wait here for a sec while you turn around. This is something different. A little bit of different footage. further I go forward on this kayak, the more leeway I get. Oh, I'm making my own way out now. Here we go. Just touch the bottom. Heap of little fish down in here. There's a big snag there. It's gone around that. Probably eels in here too, I reckon. And little fish running along in front of me here. Thinks I'm going to eat him. Yep. Yeah. We might just make it. Or we might have to wait for the next big bit of wash. That's pretty deep there. Enough. Nah, it's alright, isn't it? Something different. I think I'm still getting it on the camera. Thought the camera would be nearly flat by now, but no, still getting it. It's good. First time I've ever been able to go all the way up in there. Not quite all the way, but it's interesting. Usually it's got all this blocked off with a sandbar. Right. I might have to go forward a bit to get a bit of clearance at the back. Like that. Now I'll probably have to wait for the next big wave. They're running out. Here it comes. I'm still drifting out, that's alright. Try it. There we go, we got him. There we go. We did it. I think I've made my backrest go stupid.